Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you all doing? Ellaru hegidira? A new thing that is coming up first time for YouTube. I haven't seen any content saying about ZX6R unboxing of the seats and the Footpegs. I saw only one video that is from Pakistan that was for the older ZX6R. And I've got an amazing parcel from Sweden. Thanks for one of my friends for sending this to me. And I know it's blocking my face, but kindly ignore. So this is the package. I had to rip it apart only because the products inside this are genuine enough, and also if it is damaged or not. I think in the first look of it, it is very good. I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing. So let's see what is there in the package. And this is Kawasaki genuine products as well. We'll start from the pegs itself. It's completely packed. Like I said, I ripped it apart only to make sure that all the things are there available. And this is the first thing that you guys can see. This is the Footpeg. It has a hanger for exhaust. I'm guessing this is the right one. And this also has a movement of Footpegs as well. And there's not a Chinese made, there's not a Thailand made or anything, but this is original Kawasaki original Footpeg that is sold in abroad, and that is a Footpeg that is there as well, right? Which ideally means that whatever you're going to put on the bike is always genuine and original, and that at least on Rakshit's bike it's always the same. No duplicates, only authentic products. Had to wait for this for a couple of months, by the way. It got stuck in customs, it got delayed for multiple reasons, COVID, whatnot. Like so many things happened in between. So, super tight, very well packed. Thanks for one of my friends for sending this. So, super happy. And another thing, this is the left one. And again, this also has an opening as well. You can just make by the click of it if it's original or duplicate. And I have the hanger for exhaust as well, right? I've seen that through my eyes. It's pretty solid. This is the left hand. I'll just keep it aside. And I'll throw this dabba aside. But I'm sure that what you guys are waiting for. So here is the package where you put your bum on this. So this is a seat. And again, it's original itself. And why I'm going to say it's original, it is because for a reason, right? This is packed completely, if you guys can see. I'm going to open this up. First time, first impressions. Yo, this is going to fit in straight away to the product. And if you remember, the cowl is also based on the same design itself. And it says Ninja here. I'm sure you guys were able to see. Yes, here it says Ninja. And there's some things that's going to come with this as well. So the screwdriver, one is here. And another one is here, the sharper one. And then there is that. I can remove this rubber to access that as well. So I'll go ahead and fit this very shortly. The original ZX6R that is manufactured or allocated to India doesn't come with a Footpeg holes on the left hand side. When I say left hand side, if I'm driving the motorcycle this side, the left hand side it's not there because India it is only limited to one seat, right? But on the right hand side there is foot hangers where I'll be able to penetrate and use this. However, right, the biggest thing is I might have to drill or change the subframe. I will think about it later. Do let me know what you think. What do you guys think about this new Footpegs and everything? And like I said, this is the first time on YouTube. I haven't seen anyone unboxing, at least for the 2019 plus ZX6R. And first time on YouTube. Happy to do complete video installation. Do consider subscribing, and the next video will have a follow-up of installing this as well, right? So this is how it would look like. I'll try to keep every single thing. So this is how it would look like. So let's go ahead and install this. Like I said, spare me some time. I'm slightly busy in my schedule. I'll go ahead and install very soon as possible. I will see whether I have to remove the subframe and then install it. If not, I will also be able to drill it. It's not going to cause a problem because anyway the markings are there. It's just I need to tap in the small hole inside that. So until then, stay subscribed. Things are getting way crazier. I'm super excited with the kind of support that you guys are giving me. 1K subscribers in less than few weeks of uploading a lot of videos. Huge credit goes to my neighbors as well, who've been very proactive in terms of about getting all the videos on page and subscribing on timely basis. Love your support, guys. Keep supporting. I will try my best to give as many content as possible. ZX6R is limited, but there are some things which is always there that can come through your mobile phone. Until then, take care guys. I hope the lockdown lifts up and I'll be able to make some content. I'm super desperate to ride. Never happened in my life at all. So let's go ahead and fix this, and I'll catch you in another vlog. Until then, stay safe. You want to see this? Let me know what exactly, if any follow-up questions. Happy to take it. And I got this from Sweden, so just an FYI. So much for the love and support that you guys are showing me. That is insane and it's priceless. We are at 1001k, but I'm sure that we will scale to an extent. So let's see how it goes. Until then, take care guys. See you in another video. Hope to install the seat very soon. Bye.